Redness, scratchiness, or sensitivity to the eyes occurs when your eyes are too dry. Even a very, very tiny particle of dust can feel like a big stone if you are allergic or your eyes are too sensitive. And if your eyes dry out in the wind or cry out against the chloride or cry out against the chlorine, it's hard to focus on anything. Fortunately, you can sort out the problem just by a blink of an eye. So let me share with you some of the very simple things that can help you, that you can do at home, that will help to decrease that sensitivity, that allergy. Hi, my name is Dr. Vivek. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So if you feel that eyes are too irritative or too sensitive and you feel that discomfort in your eye, then soak a flannel in cool water and lay it over your closed eye as long as needed. This is particularly effective if your eyes are red or itchy because of the allergies. Actually, the cold will constrict the blood vessels while the moist cloth will keep your eyes damp. So a simple fix, but very effective. Another thing that you can do is using a tea bag. Soak a tea bag in cold water and place it over each closed eye for about 15 minutes. This will also help if any infection or any kind of allergen has dropped into your eyes or near to the eye. And yes, I forgot to mention, the first thing that you can do is just splashing your eyes with cold water, and this will be helpful. Eyes should be splashed with cold water. This is what modern medical science says, and this is what Ayurveda also says, that eyes is the place of Pitta, that's the fire component, so no heating of the eyes should be done. Cold things are good for eyes. Now, if we talk about treating from inside, then a banana can be a help. Why a banana? Is simple banana? Because bananas are rich in potassium, which will help to control the sodium, and this will help to release the fluid in the cells of the eye, so your eyes will not be dry. Or eating anything that's rich in potassium. Green vegetables, salads, they are also rich in vegetables. If you will be eating the food that is high in potassium, it's not only good for your eyes, but it is also good for your heart, because this sodium and potassium disbalance is what causes high blood pressure. So if you want your heart to be healthy, if you want your blood pressure to be normal, if you want your eyes to be healthy, balance the sodium and potassium. Sodium we eat a lot in our diet. The thing is, we are lacking in potassium. So start consuming the food that is rich in potassium, and this will be a big help. Another thing that can be helpful is consuming flaxseed oil. Just adding 1 tablespoon of flaxseed oil to your juice or your cereal can help in well lubricating your eyes. But if you are not comfortable in using flaxseed oil, then you can go with just ghee, that's clarified butter, or even coconut oil. That can be also helpful. One of the most important thing is your digestion should be good, your gut health should be good. Then only these irritations, these sensitivities are going to reduce. If your gut is not healthy, if you're suffering from constipation, I have a whole other video where I've talked about just constipation and the home remedies for it. If you are interested, I'll put the link down below in the description box. You can have a look on that video. But always remember, the only thing that you have to remember is you have to have healthy gut if you don't want irritation in your eye, or if you don't want any kinds of allergic reactions. Now, another very important reason to get dry eyes is your medications that you are taking. Yes, many of the medications can be a cause of dry eye, like antidepressants, antihistaminics, tranquilizers, or high blood pressure medications. Yes, medications can also cause dry eyes. If this is happening, you should talk to your doctor and they will change your medications, or they will give you an alternative. And many times just adding a humidifier at your room can be a help, because it is going to humidify the air and you'll feel less irritation in your eyes. But treatment should be done always from inside, so focus on that also. These things from outside will give you a short-term relief. And don't forget that many times eye makeup also gives irritation. So if this is happening with you, you should change your eye makeup. Go for a good one that has less chemicals, and maybe this will fix your issue. So these are some of my small tips. Try them out. Maybe these simple tips will help you in getting rid of these small or painful, I can say, or I can say uncomfortable conditions. See you in next video with a big smile. Up to the time, smile more, stay happy, stay